This home is brought to you by Darren Webb of Team Webb at Century 21 Goodyear Green. Fabulous gym in sought-after Surrey Hills, perfect for family gatherings and entertaining. Large kitchen West/granite countertops, tile backsplash, dishwasher, plus a pantry, gas range, microwave, tons of storage plus island with storage and prep space, plus beautiful tile flooring and kitchen, laundry area and entry. Large open living area with fireplace, vaulted ceiling, wonderful view of backyard plus backyard access. Master suite has walk-in closet, fabulous bathroom West/walk-in shower, double sinks and jetted tub and private WC. Large secondary bedrooms share hall bathroom with double sinks, tub/shower combo plus lots of hall storage. Utility area is off kitchen and includes lots of storage plus garage access. Large backyard includes covered patio and storage building plus backs up to greenbelt. Triple pane windows and